Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. Right, we're back with another resin project today, and today I'm going to show you how I made these rune stones for my sister's birthday. So let's jump straight into it. And that's how I made some rune stones for my sister's birthday. I'm really proud of how they turned out. I've also made a little velvet pouch to put them in so she can keep them somewhere safe, and a little card of what all of the runes means and how she used them. Now, I am not into runestone reading, but my sister is into things like that. I just did a quick Google search and the symbols seemed to match up with the picture I saw on the internet, so that's what I used. Now I'm going to wrap this all up in tissue paper and bubble wrap and send it off to her for her birthday. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends, thumbs up, thumbs down, I don't really care. You do you, and I'll see you next time.